Vue gives you two different ways to conditionally show content, and they behave very differently under the hood. In this video you'll compare vuejs, which adds and removes real DOM elements, against vshow, which just toggles CSS display. isLoggedIn starts as a real false, so the branches below genuinely start on the logged out state. When isLoggedIn is false, the welcome back element isn't just hidden, it's not in the DOM at all. Here starts as a real guest string, driving a three-way branch below. vuejs chains a real third branch. Only one of these three elements ever exists in the DOM at a time. This element always stays in the DOM. vshow just adds or removes display, none via CSS. Static markup can only ever show one thing. With vuejs, and vshow, the exact elements present in the page, or their visibility, genuinely change based on real application state. vuejs actually add and remove elements from the DOM based on a condition. vshow keeps the element in the DOM always and just toggles CSS display, none. Prefer vuejs for rarely toggled content, vshow for content that toggles frequently. Add a vuejs branch of your own to the tier example for a new tier like moderator. Next, rendering a whole list of items at once with vfor.